How's it going, guys? I am back with day 5 of my dropshipping challenge, and we are finally starting to lose money. Yeah, we didn't lose money for ads and everything, but if I count all the products that I bought, and also I started to set up my Shopify store, which costs money too. The apps are on free trial, but I guess I'll pay for that monthly as well. Hopefully by then we have we sold some products, so like the price evens out, wishful thinking. But yeah, why I started to build the Shopify store was because I started to get traction on YouTube a little bit. We are kind of getting viral, not really. I mean, it's like 4,000, 5,000 views, which is, I think, pretty fine for the first like 3-4 videos. So I'm not sure if it should get around to 100,000 and a million already, but I'm pretty satisfied for now, I guess, because in my, like, what I heard from TikTok organic, that sometimes it can take like 2 to 3 months before you get any traction or subscribers and everything, because the subscriber thing it's still taking a while. On TikTok it's just 6, on YouTube just 5. So on TikTok, as you guys know, you need to get 1,000 until you can post a link in the bio. But on YouTube it doesn't matter. So that's why, because I got traction on YouTube, I started to build my dropshipping store, and building the dropshipping store takes a lot longer than I thought. I mean, I sat the whole day today. Yesterday I recorded in the morning, because yesterday it took too long. It was 3 a.m. until I was finished with my store. And it's not even finished yet, so I need to set up some apps like the review thing, that you can see the reviews of a product. And small details which take a lot longer than I thought, like small things like the upsell thing. I researched apps for like an hour or 2 hours just for this one thing, and then it didn't really work, and then I had to watch 1,000 tutorials for everything. But I guess it's like kind of building experience, so we get quicker with each store. But yeah, we are really starting to lose money right now, because also I think I'll start using ads like in a couple of days, when I'm finally at home, where I can work in silence in my office. So that's gonna be interesting. I'll keep you guys updated, and I finally can show you also like the analytics on my page if I get any visitors. Maybe I would have sold 1 or 2 products already with those YouTube shorts. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, I'm not sure how the conversion is usually with views converted to sales. So I'll find that out later, I guess, I hope. But yeah, it's starting to get some traction. I'm hyped again. Like, I'm starting to really enjoy the process, and yeah, I'll go live with the store probably today. I'm trying to post 2 times each day on each platform, so to get the ball rolling a little bit quicker, because now we are running against time to not lose more money with all the like fixed costs we have with the website right now. I paid for the domain, I paid for the product, so we are down around over $50, $60, $80 right now, and probably more, because I keep buying products. And yeah, until then, stay tuned, subscribe, and leave a like to support this whole journey, and also take part in it. And see you guys for tomorrow for day 6.